The official sales results are in. And once again, Sunset Chevrolet is the #1 volume Chevrolet dealer in Washington State. So how does a Chevrolet dealer in a tiny little town like Sumner outsell every other Chevrolet dealer in the state every single year? It's simple. You just get more from Sunset, and people do like that. People like warranty protection for life and oil changes for life included with every single qualifying vehicle. That'll save you thousands down the road. And people like more selection. In this day and age of inventory shortages, Sunset has way more new Chevys on the lot than the others. And if they don't have what you want, they'll get it for you right away. And people really do like that. More for your trade? A Sunset tradition. And people like low financing options too. While everyone is screaming about rising interest rates, Sound Credit Union is offering 3.99% APR to Sunset Auto Family customers. This will save you thousands in interest charges alone. Go to sunsetchev.com for all the details. Then find new roads to Traffic Avenue and Tiny Overhead Sumner to Washington State's #1 volume Chevrolet dealer.
Sunset Chevrolet.